If you really want to learn how to add product to cart step by step, this video is great for you. You just have to make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end, because I'm going to show you step by step on how you can add product to cart on Alibaba without any stress. But before we dive deep into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm a procurement and importation coach. If you want to contact me for importation business, you can contact me via the number in the description of this video. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can add products to cart on Alibaba step-by-step tutorial. So let's begin. The first thing you have to do is to make sure you open up your Alibaba, just like what you see on the screen right here. So now let's, for instance, we want to add this product to cart, this one right here. So for you to add the product to cart, you have to click on the product link. That's the first step to take. So when you click on the product link, it takes you to product sales page detail. So you have to scroll down, and then what you need to do right here is to make sure you look for start order. You click on start order. So it presents you in a page whereby you will be able to select different size, different quantity, different color, things like that, just like what you see right here. Now we have a product right here which has to do with one drag, one piece for iPhone. So we can decide to select two of these. For you to add to cart, you just have to click this plus sign right here. So we can decide to select two of these. Then we can look for another different features. So this is another different features, one drag two for type C. So we can decide to add this, just one of these products to cart. Just click on the plus sign and you are good to go. So we have three different products into the cart. So we can scroll down and we can select the last one right here, which has to do with one drag for two type C and microphone USB. So we can add two of these to cart. So you have to click on the plus sign here and you tap two. Now you have successfully selected your product, but that is not the end to the stuff. So what you have to do is to click on add to cart right here. Boom. So you can see add shopping to cart successful. So for you to fill the products on your cart, you just have to click on go back. Then it takes you back to the home page. Then click on cart right here at the bottom here. Click on cart. Once you click on cart, it's going to load up and show you every product you have successfully added to cart. So you can see right here that we have successfully added two pieces of this, one pieces of this, and two pieces of this of the same product in different features. This is how you add product to cart step-by-step tutorial on Alibaba.com. I hope you really find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big like. Remember to share this video, and also if you want to contact me for business consultation, you can contact me on WhatsApp for importation business via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorial about importation business. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.